Hi everybody, still stuck in lockdown. Our Iridium 13 sitting in the front yard and we're just so keen to get out and about, but I've never actually towed or hooked up to a van and unhooked before. So John's been teaching me and I thought there might be a few people like me that need a step-by-step lesson. So I've decided to video me doing it today. So here's step one. You must put the tongue into the car. Say hello to John. Anyway, you push it in and then put this through and then use a bolt.
Not all tow bars are the same, but this is how ours is. Ours is a trail boss. This is how it works. You should tighten that nut up, but we won't tighten up for the sake of this thing today. Put your clip in, hold it in place, and there it is, it's done.
Alright, first of all, you get your little handle and you put it in, and what you're aiming to do is make this the same height as that. So you roll it till it's the same height so that when you back in, it's pretty close. Excellent. This little yellow thing sits on here. And why do you do that? Because when you're backing in, it's so much easier to see it and it lines up exactly with where your ball is. So it shows up really well on the rear camera. Alright, first thing first, you take this, which is all connected, push it through, take the pin and put it on. Okay, that's all good. Then you're going to use the safety chains. Now these chains need to crisscross, so this one goes on that side and this one comes across this side, and they go onto these bits under here. So one side of this bolt is threaded, the other one you can just push through, and you make sure they're nice and tight. So before we move on, this is our breakaway. So there's a pin in there that pulls out if the van comes off the car, and this is usually attached to the car, but we have changed our breakaway since we got the van, and the cord that comes with it is so long that we're now ordering a coiled cord, so it's not going to be dragging or difficult to do. So we're just waiting for that to come. But keep in mind, if you're hitching up for the first time, you must connect the breakaway cord to the car.
Okay.
Okay, next up we're going to put the electricals, attach them to the car. One thing with this one is to remember that there's an offset pin, and so you need to match it up with your plug. So you just pull this bit down and make sure that this one's going up and it's up in there, and push it in. Now this one, when you take the cover off, on the top of here is positive and negative, and on here is positive and negative, and you must make sure that they match up before you put them in. Lowering this wheel down, and we are lining up this pin into one of these holes. So then you can remove your handle and make sure that you store it somewhere where you know it's going to be. So it's all down, it's locked in with the pin. Now you get this handle, which is quite tall, and push the wheel up and lock it in. Did you hear it click? We get this one, pull it out, and then down, and then that's stowed for your trip. And the last thing to do is the handbrake. So push the button in, pull it down like a car handbrake, and now we're ready to drive off.